What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got something sent to me from Easy Shoot Tactical. It's a green laser for the bottom of your pistol or rifle. In this particular video, we're just going to be unboxing it, taking a look at the fit and finish, and go over some of the features of it. We're going to jump down on the bench and take a look. Okay, so we're down on the bench with the Easy Shoot Tactical green laser. When the company reached out to me and asked if I wanted to check out this laser, I agreed to do it because I wanted to see something that's an alternative to Olight. I particularly like to run Olight lights and lasers because they're quality and they're proven. I've been running them for years now. I actually have one right here. I have my Warrior X that goes on my rifle. This is a light laser combo with a magnetic pressure switch, but these are very expensive. This whole setup is going to run you close to 200 bucks. So, and this also has the magnetic charging feature, and we'll get into that in a second. So not everybody has the money or wants to spend that kind of money on something that they're not going to use that often. But a laser, a little more practical. So this one's a little more budget friendly. This is 47 bucks on Amazon. I'm not affiliated with Amazon, but I will leave a link down below to it so you guys can find it and check it out. This is going to be an unboxing today only. We just want to go over the fit and finish of it, the functionality of it, and then in another video, we're going to actually get to the range. I'm going to put this on my M&P 22, and we're going to run it on this, see if it holds zero, and we'll do a full review at the range. But for right now, let's open the box and see what you get. So we'll put that there. You get an instruction manual, user manual. Pretty comprehensive. I already looked this over. If you guys want to pause this and go over all the specs, you can, but I'll just let you know right now that the battery is an internal polymer battery built in. It has a green laser, it has a max output of 5 watt. It's IPX4, it weighs 50 grams. Runtime is 2 hours, and the charging time is 2 hours. Also, this has 3 position holes on it, so for whichever Picatinny rail you're running, you have some adjustability. And it's also aircraft aluminum, so it's lightweight, and the fit and finish on it is pretty good. Here's the magnetic portion of it. You get the magnetic charger, USB. You also get this bag with an extra screw, the Allen, to adjust the laser. And this thing, I'm not sure, this piece of metal here, it's magnetic because it sticks to the magnet portion, but I'm not quite sure what that's for. So we'll move that out of the way. And now let's get to the star of the show here. This is the actual Easy Shoot green laser. It's ambidextrous. You got switches on both sides. They're just push. Turn the laser on, push it again, turns it off. You also have a status indicator right here, which I'll show you guys what that looks like. Let's plug this into my Poseidon power bank. This is a really good power bank. I got this years back. They sent this to me to review. This is a really nice one. The new one now is USB-C, but this is an older one. So let's slap this on, and there you can see the red light is on right there. Let you know that it's charging. I'm sure that'll go green when it's fully charged. So yeah, the magnetic portion of it's nice. Just slap it on, give it a quick charge, and you're good to go for the next time. So it does include the cable, which is nice. Put that out of the way. Again, aircraft aluminum, very nice fit and finish on it from what I see so far. There's your up and down, and there's your left and right to adjust the laser, which I will bore sight this and get this all spot on before we bring it to the range. But let's pop this on right now real quick. We're just going to throw this on the M&P. Actually, I'm going to do this off camera, guys. I don't want to violate YouTube policy. This could be considered showing you how to do something you're not supposed to. So, okay, so it's on there. As you can see, it's nice in line with the muzzle. I have it adjusted in the middle hole. So I think it looks pretty good right there. Real nice low profile. It's not bulky. Easy access to your charging port on the bottom. And again, there it is on right with my right finger because it's ambidextrous. Or if you're left-handed, turn it on with your left hand. Not a problem there either. Very nice, very comfortable. I think for the money, for 47 bucks on Amazon, I'm not affiliated with Amazon, guys, but I will leave a link to it down below. I think this is a good budget alternative. I mean, it's made of aircraft aluminum. It seems pretty nice to fit and finish. It has the magnetic charging base. So we're going to get this thing to the range, and we're going to try it out in the next video. But for right now, we're going to hop out for some final thoughts. Okay, so some final thoughts on the Easy Shoot Tactical Green Laser. Off of the unboxing and first impressions, I think it's a pretty good alternative to some of the expensive stuff that's out there. The build quality seems pretty nice on it, but again, until we get this thing out to the range, we won't have a final result. But first impressions, I think for the money, for 47 bucks, it's a pretty good budget alternative. All right, you guys got any questions or comments? Be sure to leave them down below. Slap a like on the video. It helps me out, and we'll see you guys in the next one.